Quality comes from professionalism and focus. Success is only due to the attachment. Today, the average life expectancy of private enterprises in China is only 4 years. However, Qingdao Highonour Chemical Tech Company Limited has gone through for more than 20 extraordinary years due to its industrial innovation and integrity management. Qingdao Highonour Chemical Tech Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise that develops, produces, and markets water-based acrylic polymers, waterborne polyurethane polymers, and auxiliary additives. The company is located in the Professional Chemical Park in Qingdao Highonour Ecological Chemical Industrial Base. The company has a throughput capacity of 60,000 tons of acrylic acid and its ester raw materials, as well as a production scale of 90,000 tons of water-based polymer and 30,000 tons of water-based paint. Focus, concentration, and professional. Highonour has over 20 years of experience in the development, production, and application of waterborne acrylic polymers in cooperation with a number of universities and research institutes to introduce new technologies and new ideas. The experienced R&D team continuously innovates and develops new products and upgrades the production system with water-based polymers as the core. Highonour extends upstream and downstream to form a vertically integrated industrial cluster of monomer polymer coating, which provides customers with a one-stop platform covering material supply, technology consultation, application guide, and lab testing. The products are widely used in architectural decoration, achieves building sealants, textiles, waterproof, metal rust, water-based painting inks, water-based wood lacquer, soil and sand curing, and other fields. Qingdao Highonour adheres to the business philosophy of pursuing both material and spiritual happiness of all employees, providing healthy and environmentally friendly products for human beings, contributing to the progress and development of the society. In the production and R&D, Highonour continually improves the performance and price advantage of waterborne polymers.